Hello, welcome our Gearresearch channel. Today in this video, we are going to show some of the best weight bench that are best sold and reloaded in the last couple on Amazon. If you want more information and updated pricing on the product, check the links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Number 1, Flybird Weight Bench, Adjustable Strength. This home bench was specifically designed in collaboration with a professional coach, so you know it checks all the boxes of a great workout bench. The seat of this bench is fully adjustable, so you can set it up in the most optimal position required to perform any exercise. Made of heavy-duty commercial steel that can handle up to 700 pounds, this bench offers exceptional value for money. Both the backrest and the seat are made out of high-quality leather and filled with soft foam padding, providing relentless support and comfort during workout sessions. Plus, it is foldable, so you can relocate it anywhere, and it can be quickly unfolded and set up in less than 30 seconds. This foldable feature also makes this the perfect bench if you don't have much space, as you can store it under the bed when it's not in use. The frame is made from heavy-duty commercial steel and has undergone thousands of weight tests to ensure its safety and stability. You don't have to take our word for it. This adjustable bench from Flybird is the overall best pick because it has a high load capacity, the total amount of weight it can support, a comfortable pad. Number 2, Marcy Flat Utility 600 pounds Capacity Weight Bench. This flat bench allows you to perform a variety of exercises as it has a total weight capacity of up to 600 pounds, so you can use barbells or dumbbells on it without worrying about your safety. It has a space-saving tube frame that allows you to place it almost anywhere, even in your bedroom, for a quick workout session. Once you're done, you can easily place it in your storage cabinet as it doesn't require much space. If you are wondering about the durability of this workout bench, there are a few facts about its build quality that offer some reassurance. First, it is made of solid steel material that provides a strong structure capable of supporting heavy weights. Second, the high-density foam padding is more than sufficient to ensure you feel comfortable while performing various exercises. And lastly, the bench has a powder-coated finishing, so there is absolutely no need to worry about rust or corrosion with this one. Bottom line, this one is simply outstanding. Made with a steel frame and a vinyl-covered seat, it's sturdy and easy to clean. Plus, it comes with foam rollers, which you can use to steady yourself as you tackle a variety of exercises. While the budget-friendly price is hard to beat. Number 3, SuperMax Adjustable Weight Bench for Incline. This weight bench from Fitness Reality is another great space-saving option that's ideal for heavier lifting. Despite being foldable, the bench offers an impressive 800-pound, 363-kilogram load capacity and a stable design. It also includes 12 adjustable positions. This is more than many other products on the market. Plus, it works well for taller people because it supports users who are up to 6'4", 193 centimeters tall. While this bench is an overall solid option, it's worth noting some customers find the cushion to be a bit uncomfortable. But the term adjustable refers to any freestanding bench that supports angles other than that offered by a flat bench. They're usually freestanding rather than fixed to an Olympic bench press rack. So, in addition to the Smart Fitness benches, you should also consider designs like the Ironmaster Super Bench. The Bowflex 3.1 and 5.1 are two other bestsellers, and the popular utility bench from Cap Barbell. But how do you decide which is the best adjustable weight bench? Number 4, PASYOU Adjustable Weight Bench Full Body. You can perform almost any upper and lower body exercise on this bench as it offers 7 adjustable back positions that allow you to hit the right muscles. It features high-density foam padding that provides excellent cushioning, keeping your back well supported and strain-free throughout the workout. The unique triangle structure of this bench, along with the fact that it's made of heavy-duty thickened steel, can support up to 500 pounds without showing any signs of distress, so you can bench press or use heavy dumbbells on it. Also, it is pretty easy to assemble as all the tools you need are included in the package, so it requires only a few minutes of your time to put together. Plus, as it has a foldable structure, this bench can be easily tucked away in storage when not in use to save space. A couple of designs also include a dumbbell rack underneath as a built-in storage option. Some flat benches even fold down to slide under a bed or inside a closet, which helps to save space. However, there isn't much of a price difference between a flat weight bench and an adjustable fit bench. This is one reason why the flat bench has struggled to achieve the same level of popularity. Number 5, Bowflex Weight Bench Series. If you're short on space but don't want to sacrifice quality, The Bowflex 5.1S weight bench is a great option. In addition to convenient transport wheels, the bench features a space-saving design, so you can store it against a wall, in a closet, or under a bed. The bench is also equipped with an adjustable seat, leg extension, and 6 back positions including a -20-degree angle. That said, some customers complain that the gap between the back and seat is uncomfortable, while others haven't found it to be an issue. You can prop it up against your wall to free up space between your weightlifting workouts. The heavy-duty bench is crafted from commercial-grade steel and boasts a hefty 600-pound weight capacity. It's also adjustable, so you can use it as an incline bench, a decline bench, or a flat bench. And if you choose the incline option, the backrest offers 4 secure angles. It's a competitive price range, featuring big-name brands such as Bowflex, Valor Fitness, Zmark, Nautilus, and Body Solid. The Ironmaster Super Bench is also a popular bestseller. The Workout Bench. Golds produce several other adjustable benches. Like, comment and share. Please subscribe my channel. Check the link in the description below. Thanks for watching.